How to add extensions on Safari. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add extensions on Safari. So let's get started. To do that, first of all, you gotta head over to your settings and then you gotta scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of apps. So simply click on apps. And then you're going to scroll down till you find S section and you're going to find Safari within that. Now here you're going to click on Safari. So once you do so, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of extensions. Now, you'll find the option of extensions under General. So simply click on extensions and then over here you can see that I have one extension already on Safari, that is ChatGPT Search, and you can customize your extensions on Safari and you can change the appearance or behavior of web content, add buttons to Safari and more. So if you wish to add any extensions, you gotta click on more extensions. And once you do so, you will be redirected to the App Store. Now over here, you'll be able to see multiple applications that can be downloaded as apps in your phone. And you'll be able to see them in extensions as well. But however, if you download them, they wouldn't really be within the extension sections of Safari. They will be downloaded as applications on your phone. So for example, I'm going to download Language Translated over here. So I'm going to click on Language Translator. And here you can see that there are various essential Safari extensions. However, they're all paid. Not all paid, but most of them are paid. That really works better. So you can just click on Get and you can download any of the extensions. Now here you can see that the extension has been downloaded, so you can head over to your settings and here you can see that the extension has been added. So you can simply click on the extension and then toggle it on, and now you can see that the extension has been allowed. Now however, if you wish to view these extensions within Safari, you can head over to Safari and first of all you gotta type something. So I'm going to type hi, or you can type anything you want, it doesn't really matter. And once you do so, you're going to click on this icon over here, and here you'll be able to see an option that says manage extensions, and here you'll be able to see your extension that you have allowed. So here they'll ask that Mate would like to access google.com, that is your extension. So you can either click on allow for one day or always allow. And after that, you can see that this extension is being used on this web page, and now you can enjoy using extensions on Safari. So that was basically how you can add extensions on Safari. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.